Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class on solutions. In this class, we will discuss purification of partially miscible liquids. The miscibility of partially miscible liquids changes with temperature. That means their solubility will change with respect to temperature. So there are three types of partially miscible liquids. We will look one by one. Phenol water system. Phenol and water are partially miscible liquids, and on shaking, they form two saturated solutions. One is phenol in water, and the other is water in phenol. This type of coexisting solutions are called conjugate solutions. What are these conjugate solutions? Phenol and water, they don't mix with each other. They are partially miscible, only a small amount. So when we shake a mixture of phenol and water, what happens? A small amount of water will dissolve in phenol. A small amount of phenol will dissolve in water. Say for example, it is phenol, this is water. Then when we shake, a small amount of this water will be soluble in phenol, whereas a small amount of phenol will be soluble in water. These type of solutions are called as conjugate solutions. This type of solutions are called conjugate solutions. As we have discussed, the solubility increases or solubility changes with temperature. In case of phenol water system, the solubility increases with temperature, and at a certain temperature, the solubility is maximum, so that they will convert into a homogeneous solution. At a particular temperature, both phenol and water will mix with each other in all respects, and it generates a homogeneous solution. So the temperature above which or below which any composition of partially miscible liquids become completely miscible is called as critical solution temperature, CST, or consolidate temperature. So if the partially miscible liquids are converted into a homogeneous solution, that temperature is called as critical solution temperature. In the case of phenol water system, please take the notes. In the case of phenol water system, the CST is 68.1 degrees centigrade. This is upper CST. Upper CST means when we heat the solution, if it forms a homogeneous mixture, then it is called upper CST. And I'll also give some more examples for the partially miscible liquids which form upper CST are water and aniline, hexane and aniline. These will also show upper CST. We can represent this CST graphs. On y-axis, we will take temperature. On x-axis, we will take composition. this side, for example, say if it is a composition of phenol, then here it is 0%, here it is 100% phenol. Now, initially, there are two layers. One is a phenol layer, other one is water layer. But when we increase the temperature, this is phenol, this is water. But when we increase the temperature at 68.1 degrees centigrade, both water and phenol layers will mix with each other. They become miscible components, so that it generates a homogeneous solution. So this is upper CST. Upper CST. If partially miscible liquids forms a homogeneous solution at a higher temperature than room temperature. That means when we supply heat energy, then those systems are called upper CST systems. At upper CST, phenol will be 36.1%, remaining part will be water. So in the homogeneous solution, 36.1% will be phenol, remaining will be water. At CST, the composition of phenol is 36.1% and the remaining portion, 63.9%, is water. Below CST, there exist two layers, water layer and phenol layer. But above CST, there exists only one layer, so that is a homogeneous mixture of water and aniline. The second case is triethylamine water system. For some liquid pairs, the mutual solubility increases with decrease in temperature. Such systems possess lower CST. That means y-axis we will take temperature, x-axis we will take composition. Here we will take composition of triethylamine, 0% triethylamine, 100% triethylamine. Now, when we cool these compounds, they will form water and triethylamine will form a homogeneous mixture. This is an example for lower CST. See, the lower CST exists at 18.5 degrees centigrade. 18.5 degrees centigrade is lower than room temperature. It is lower than room temperature. And the composition is, yeah, sorry, I did not write the composition. Above 18.5 degrees centigrade, we can clearly visualize triethylamine layer and water layer. So two layers will exist. But when we cool this mixture at 18.5 degrees centigrade, this partially miscible liquids will become completely homogeneous. So this is an example for lower CST. In triethylamine water system, the CST is 18.5 degrees centigrade, and above this temperature, two layers exist, and below this temperature, only one layer exists. Other examples for systems which have lower CST are methyl ethyl ketone water. Methyl ethyl ketone water. That means it is 2-butanone. 2-butanone common name is methyl ethyl ketone. So this system is also an example of lower CST. Nicotine water system is an example for a system which is having both CST. That means it has upper CST as well as lower CST. Temperature, composition. This is nicotine, nicotine layer. This is water layer. Now, at 208 degrees centigrade, nicotine water system exists as a homogeneous mixture. So, upper CST. Similarly, at 60 degrees centigrade also, nicotine water system exists as a homogeneous mixture. This is lower CST. Above upper CST, that means temperature more than 208 degrees centigrade, and below lower CST, that means temperatures below 60 degrees centigrade, we will observe only homogeneous mixture, homogeneous solution. But between 60 degrees centigrade to 208 degrees centigrade, we will clearly visualize water layer as well as nicotine layer. So between the upper CST and lower CST, this mixture shows both layers, whereas above upper CST and below lower CST, it is a homogeneous solution. Please take the notes. So for this system, upper CST is 208 degrees centigrade, lower CST is 60 degrees centigrade. This is composition of nicotine. Now I expect you to write effect of impurity on CST. When we add a foreign substance, how CST will be influenced, how CST will be varying, whether it increases or it decreases or it is constant. So you are expected to write effect of impurity on CST.